In a world often shrouded in uncertainty, Kismet Connection shines as a beacon of hope. It offers mystical services that guide individuals towards their true destiny. Kismet Connection empowers people to overcome life's challenges. They can achieve remarkable success. Their stories of transformation inspire awe and wonder. A young student dreamed of studying abroad, but her path was blocked by the IELTS exam and visa complications. Then she discovered Kismet Connection. The numerologist analyzed her birth chart and identified the root cause. She followed their guidance and her confidence grew. She aced the IELTS exam and got her visa approved. She embarked on her educational journey with newfound hope. A businessman faced mounting financial troubles. He felt trapped in a cycle of debt and despair. Kismet Connection offered him a lifeline. Through numerology, they identified obstacles in his business. He embraced energy healing and manifestation techniques. His financial situation improved. New opportunities arose. Section 4. Instant success through chanting. A woman yearned for a loving life partner. She had almost given up hope. She felt that true love was not in her cards. Kismet Connection taught her the power of chanting. She chanted specific mantras with devotion. The positive energy she generated was palpable. Suddenly, she met her soulmate. Their connection was instant and profound. Her life was filled with love and happiness. Embrace the power of Kismet Connection. These stories show the life-changing impact of Kismet Connection. Step into a brighter future. Visit Kismet Connection today and start your transformation.